Hello everybody, my name is Paolo Zocco, I'm the Project Director for Copernicus. Please join me in welcoming the Global Finance Center, an important expansion of our finance family. Currently serving India, Oceania, Hong Kong, Singapore and China is under discussion. The center provides all the core finance activity, accounts payable, order to cash, record to report, master data management and statutory reporting, tax and treasury support. Location is in Gurgaon, a center just outside Delhi, where more than 400 companies, IT and BPOs are sitting, so it's a very, very important SSC hub. The area is an important talent basket for professional F&A people and for chartered account qualified people. As we already announced, accounts payable, intercompany, disbursement and DDM activity will be transferred from Dublin, our EMEA Finance Center, to Delhi, the Global Finance Center. This is an exciting move that will enable us to build up a new structure for finance, to harmonize and standardize our processes across Europe, and more important, to build up a One Finance operating model.
Hi, I'm Anil Barera, Vice President and CFO for Asia South Region. I would like to welcome you all to our Global Finance Center based in Gurgaon, one of the suburbs of New Delhi. Let me share some facts about this center with you. This center was set up in 2010 as a center of excellence for Asia and Whirlpool Corporation. We started its operations with 42 FTEs, and today our strength for Asia region is about 61 FTEs. We service 11 legal entities and 5 markets out of this center, and we generate on an annualized basis a saving of about $800,000 for the corporation. Our vision is to be a trusted business partner with very strong focus on customer satisfaction.
Hi, I'm Subhash Anand, Senior Director, Head of Global Finance Center. We all are very excited to be part of One Finance team and look forward to build a strong bonding and relationship with all of you. Let me introduce you to some of your colleagues who are part of GFC team. In GFC, our vision is to be a trusted business partner. We have 3 priorities aligned with this vision. The first one, customer satisfaction. In GFC, we believe the concept of extended team and building embedded relationship model. Let's hear what the team feels about it.
Customer focus means to understand their pain areas and to address them proactively.
Customer satisfaction is to commit SLAs and KPIs in advance and meet them on time and every time.
Customer satisfaction to me means being proactive to the customer queries even though they are reactive.
Our second priority is to build and strengthen effective processes. The focus is not just on efficiency, but to improve end-to-end process effectiveness.
For me, effective process is one which is well documented with robust controls, is measurable and followed by everyone.
Effective process for me is to shift from establish and respond to predict and act.
Effective process for me is to deliver in time to end customer, be it supplier or the trade partner.
Our third priority is build highly engaged and motivated team. I'm happy to share your team has scored 87 in 2011 engagement survey. For us, engagement means fostering team cultures. We do many activities in this area. Some of them like Ring the Bell, Team Lunch, we call it Potluck. We all look forward for Fundu Friday, which is fun at work.
GFC has a great focus on various learning initiatives. One of them are Whirlpool University courses and our knowledge circles across the team.
Our good work gets appreciated through robust reward and recognition programs like League of Stars and Joy of Thanking.
Happy to share with all of you that your center has been recognized as the great place to work by various independent bodies. Look forward to this new journey and once again, welcome to Global Finance Center. Thank you.
Benvenuto a Whirlpool, è un buon posto per lavorare.
Je me sens comme chez moi après avoir associé avec GFC. C'est un bon endroit pour travailler.
人之前和护理做 GFC 的最好的地方工作。
Ich bin sehr stolz darauf, dass ich bei GFC arbeite Und das ist ein Ort, wo man sehr gut und ruhig arbeiten kann.